Welcome back. In our previous lecture, we learned about objectives of risk management. In this lecture, we are going to look at steps in risk management process. There are 4 steps in risk management process. So these 4 steps include identify potential losses. Secondly, measure and analyze the loss exposure. Then you have to select appropriate combination of techniques to minimize your loss exposure, and finally you have to implement and monitor the risk management program. So here is the flowchart of steps in risk management process. So it starts with identification of loss exposures. Secondly, you need to measure and analyze your loss exposures. Then you have to select most appropriate combination of techniques to minimize or to treat your loss exposure. This includes risk control and risk financing. There are several methods of risk controls and several methods of risk financing. And finally, you have to implement and monitor the risk management program. So that's all about this lecture. In our next lecture, we'll discuss the step 1 in the risk management process, that is identify loss exposures.